Welcome back to the Hey Jokay Show. Ito na naman ako, Coach Loy. Pero syempre sa Hey Jokay Clan, ako ay ang Hey Jokay Titan Visionary. Right? Again, I'm hosting us for tonight. Una-una, maraming salamat sa mga katambay natin tonight sa Hey Jokay Show. And let me introduce my co-host for tonight. It's going to be Jega. Jega, take it away.
All right. Thank you, Coach Loy. And hello, everyone. After being away sa show for 2 weeks, thank you for having me again. So I will partner with Coach Loy tonight, and let's have this a fun evening, morning, wherever you are, kung saan yung time zone ninyo. And I'm happy to see new faces from the last time. So parami ang ating mga Hey Jokaizens. Oh, meron na tayong anong tawag doon? Meron na tayong anong tawag Loy?
My name. Fun name, fan club, mga ano.
Meron na tayong sariling moniker natin, Hey Jokaizens, no? Diba? Ang saya. Diba?
May isa pa, diba? Darksiders daw.
Kampon ng kadiliman. Mga kampon ng kadiliman.
Yung mga inagaw ng dilim. Ay, ayan na.
All right. Dumadami na tayo. Welcome, Coach Champy.
Hi, Champy.
Represent. Dumadami tayo. Team Viva Max Jarvis, welcome. Coach Love, welcome. Ala? Walang late? We're not late para sa trabaho. I'm not late. I'm just early for the next meeting. Yan ang lagi ko sinasabi. Okay, handa na ba kayo, guys? Handa na ba kayo mag-start tayo? Siyempre, habol na lang yung iba. Right?
Yes.
Without further ado, simulan na natin. Jega, G na tayo? G na kayo?
Yes, G na tayo.
Guys, may
para
react
hindi tayo
button sa baba, yung send reaction. Send naman kayo ng reaction, guys, kung G na kayo. Pa-confetti naman kayo dyan.
Yun lang.
Yun lang, hina nyo naman mga Hey Jokay or mga Hey Joklans or mga kampon ng kadiliman, the Darksiders, di ba? Yan, that's much better. Alright, let's do it. Let's start the Hey Jokay Show. Ayun. Grabe. Jega, ano ang ating next segment? Ito, gustong-gusto ko tong segment na to eh.
Ayan, so the next is we're gonna have our affirmations for tonight before we actually start, and we have some few reminders then. So take it away, Coach Lloyd.
Okay, for ating affirmation, Angel. Mukhang maano tayo ngayon ng iyong affirmation. Nga pala guys, reminders lang. When a video plays, you can control the volume on your own. Whether you're on PC or on your mobile, right? Tapos, ayun, pag nagpi-play lang yung video, di ba? Iwasan lang natin i-play and pause, no? Para lahat tayo makapanood ng sabay-sabay. Kerry, syempre. Angel, take it away.
Yeah. So hello, good evening, Kaizen fam. So once again, hello, good evening, Kaizen fam. Thank you for joining us tonight for the Hey Jokay Show. In the Hey Jokay clan, we strive for balance of body and mind by mastering the 6 key mindsets. First, we honored Shoshin, the beginner's mind. Then, we focused on Zanshin, the lingering mind of sustained awareness. And today, we explore Mushin, the mind of flow. Mushin is the state of no mind, where doubts fade, overthinking disappears, and action flows effortlessly. It is clarity in motion. It is trust in yourself and the process. So I invite you to ground yourself. Take a deep breath in, feeling any resistance melt away. And as you exhale, let go of overthinking, hesitation, and fear. Now breathe in again. This time, feel your body and mind aligning in harmony. And as you exhale, release the weight of self-doubt. Place your hands relaxed at your sides or in your lap and feel the stillness in your body and the freedom in your mind. Let go of control and simply be. Today, I set the intention to embody Mushin, a state of effortless flow. I will act with trust, without hesitation, moving gracefully through challenges. I release distractions, overthinking, and fear. I trust in the process. I trust in myself. I welcome clarity, harmony, and purpose. I am fluid. Whatever comes my way, I will adapt with grace and flow effortlessly through challenges. I am instinct. I trust my inner wisdom, allowing my actions to arise naturally and without hesitation. I am unstoppable. My actions are precise, my mind is free, and my spirit is unwavering. Say these affirmations with me. I am fluid. I am instinct. I am unstoppable. Thank you and enjoy the show.
All right. Thank you so much, Angel. Ganda ng affirmation for tonight. And before we continue, sabi nga ni Jiga, meron tayong mga community reminders, right?
Yes, we do. At especially sa mga new to the show. So let's play those reminders, Coach Loy.
Hello mga
Sorry.
kakaizen and welcome to the Heijo Kai Show. We're so glad that you're all here and we have a lot of fun things in store for you guys. Pero bago tayo magsimula, meron lang kaming mga quick reminders para sa inyo. Una sa lahat, our activities would include interacting with other people. So guys, let's keep it friendly and respectful. No offensive or inappropriate language, please. Ang susunod is when joining an activity, your cameras by default will automatically be turned on. So please be extra mindful of your actions and your surroundings. Of course, you can always turn your camera off anytime after you join in, pero para lang safe, make sure na ready kayo to be on cam when the activity starts. Also, pag phone ang gamit ninyo, hindi available ang virtual background, so take that into account as well. Next, kung kailangan nyo mag-bio break, hindi pa kayo ready or busy kayo, you can always opt to skip the activity. Kung sakali naman na magkaroon ng bugs or issues, refreshing your browser would usually fix it. Kung hindi pa rin gumana, don't worry kasi nandito lang kami para tumulong sa inyo anytime. And last but not the least, ang pinaka-importante syempre is just to have fun. Enjoy the show.
Ayun no. Enjoy the show. Pag walang sound guys sa videos, you can adjust the volume manually on your mobile phones or your computer, laptop, or desktop, right? Kapag ka walang
Yes.
sound.
So,
Okay.
own controls niyo guys yung YouTube. So, make sure you're also logged in. Kasi I don't think it will play if you're not logged into YouTube. So, kung mahina ang audio, you can adjust the audios on your individual controls.
Okay? Ayos. Diba? Since tapos
Okay.
na yung reminders natin, alam ko, a lot of you guys, for our returnees, right? Returnees to the Hey Jokai Show, you already know your favorite segment, right? Our signature segment. Pero syempre, hindi lang naman yun yung in store for you tonight. We've got a lot of things in store for you. Very special people that will help you in the next half of this season, especially with our exciting 5-week challenge upcoming, right? So, Jega, ano nga ba tong next nating segment na paborito ng lahat?
Yes, paborito ng lahat yung maagaw sila ng dilim. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat kayo. Especially may mga bago tayo.
Ayan na.
Hello, everyone! Mga kampon ng
Sisigawan na kami.
Katipan.
Sabi ko, no, don't leave.
Wow, nakatapos. Badaya yung mga nakatapos, no? Tingnan mo si Ken. Tapos
Nakadalawa lang
sila.
kami. Oo.
Diba?
Nakapag
Talaga fast talk, parang boy abunda to.
Share nyo naman yung mga sagot nyo, Jayga and Loy, sa questions.
Ay, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Ganun.
Ay, ganon. Fine.
Ayun, sabi ni Lara Jean, ang first timer ng Hejo Kai Show, ayun daw pala ang kinain ng dilim.
Aha, alam nyo na ngayon. At dahil dyan, energy check-in muna
Yeah.
tayo, no? After nung una natin.
Siyang aking naka-breakout, first timer. Welcome, Lara.
Oh, energy check-in. Kumusta kayo after nung unang Speed Connect? Boto na. Boto na. Uy, ang daming I'm feeling pumped and ready to take action.
Naka, may
Ay,
processing pa tayo. Processing.
Parang hindi gabi, Parang-
I've had some great conversations. Uy, ang daming feel pumped. Oh, ang daming feeling pump. Maraming magmamagnesium mamaya o kaya melatonin.
Ako yun.
Same ako din. Alright! Grabe. O, so nakapagpainit na kayo.
Okay na, meet you, newbie. I'm so happy. Nice to see you, and
Painitin pa natin, Coach Loy, kasi parang warm up pa lang yun eh.
Warm up pa lang. Ready na ba kayo sa Speed Connect number 2? Hindi pa ready? React naman. Konting reaction lang. Konting wow
Send
lang.
react.
Wow. Ay, ayan. Yung mga hindi sumali kanina, we know who you are. De, joke lang.
Coach Igo is here. Hi, Coach Igo.
Yeah, nakasali ako dun sa isang speed.
Yay!
Game na.
Yay, nakahabol.
Dahil dyan, pati si
Habol ako. Kahit
Koki
kinahin kami ng
ulit.
team.
Awesome. Born ready daw si Patrick,
Game na.
Let's go.
Speed Connect number 2. Let's go. All right.
Yeah.
Ayun na, nagbabalikan na sila. Kumusta? Nakatapos ba kayo? May mga naiinis na.
Nainis na.
Jay, okay lang yan, Jay. Makakabawi ka pa. May mamaya pa. Ha?
Ang bilis-bilis naman. I hate coach.
kami.
Si Coach Igo, ayan na naman.
4 minutes na nga yan ngayon eh. Dati 3 minutes nga yun. Dagdag ka ng 1 minute eh.
Alright. Diba?
Naging
Kumusta ang unang dalawang Speed Connect, guys? React naman kayo ng nararamdaman nyo.
blue ako, blue.
Ang saya. Diba? Warm up bitin. Don't worry, guys. Because down the line, later tonight, we'll still have a few more Speed Connect sessions where you can interact with most, if not all, of the people here in the room today. But I think one of the upcoming segments, or our next segment upcoming, is one of the most special parts of this show, right? Ano nga ba yung mangyayari sa next segment natin, Jayga?
Yeah, so we already teased this in our promo sa Circle, and you already know who our guests are, and actually they don't need intros. Diba, Coach Lloyd?
These are our champion coaches, right?
Ayun.
Nandito na. Syempre may 3 burning questions by Coach Chi na magaganap. So ready na ba kayo? Diba? Ready na ba kayo? Sige, Coach Chi, pasa na namin sa'yo to.
Take it away.
Hi guys! My name is Coach Chi, your head of personal development. Kung hindi nyo pa ako kilala, manood kayo ng Q&A. Yan, so we have featured Kaizen guests for today. Special tong tatlong to because we just started the 5-week challenge and nag-start na ba? So, and of course, mga champion, iba-ibang klaseng champion ang ating guests for tonight. Isa-isa na natin. Ladies first, we have the last season's champion. Dun, 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 dun. Dapat may sound effects tayo dito. Coach Blessa! She's also one of the proponents or mga promotor ng Project Venus. Ayan, hi Coach Blessa. Say hi to our 42 million subscribers.
Good evening, everyone. Good morning and good afternoon sa kung saan lapalapan kayo na mundo. Hello!
Isang accent naman daw dyan, Coach Blessa. Sabi ni Coach Roy.
Kapag nag-English, nako.
Sige, mamaya lalabas yan. Next, of course, our first ever champion in Kaizen. Ano na ito? Institution na. Is Coach Champy, RJ Aquino.
Hi guys, hey Jokai, and thank you guys for having me. Parang ang ancient ko naman pakinggan sa introduction. So yun, pero I'm really thrilled to be here with you guys, and I wish na meron kayong awesome weekends. Di ba ang saya-saya? So ayun, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And fun fact, si Champy is also helping the Heijokai clan. O, diba? So, meron din siya, of course, na extra accountability group which is called Project Legacy. So, marami tayong pag-uusapan. And next, of course, ito, ayan, very special. Di ko sure kung kilala niyo siya, pero dapat kilala niyo siya kasi malapit niyo na siyang dapat kilalanin. Ano daw? Dahil we have Coach Igo! Syempre, official Kaizen photographer yan. Pag wala kayo niyan sa photoshoot, ewan ko na lang. Hi, Coach Igo! Say hi!
Hello everyone. Hello Heijo Kai. Thanks for having me din. Ang saya pala nito, hindi lang siya sa Zoom kasi hindi siya ganito ka-exciting na maingay. Tapos nakikita kami mga elements dito sa laptop. Ang ganda. So,
dami, kayo lang yata yung guests na napakaraming reaction. Ayun, ang dami hindi sila natatapos. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. So, how do you feel? Like, speed connect tayo kanina. How was it? Share naman kayo ng experience.
Yeah. Ako, this is my second time joining, and grabe na, parang siyang mini breakout room na super fun version. So, ang saya lang kasi this kind of platform was introduced dito sa Kaizen, and for sure next season gagamitin ulit siya kasi marami siyang na-inspire at nakakatuwa siya. Sobrang fun niyang gamitin, di ba?
Yay! Thank you, Champy. Yes, Coach Blessa. Binolon to.
Yung sa akin, parang, I tried the pilot episode and then sobrang nag-level up siya ngayong, So, like, I think yung The Heijokai show just keeps getting better and better every episode. So, ayun, as in learning a lot and having fun in the process. Yun.
Awesome! That's what we are. Having fun lang tayo. Coach Igo, what about you? Alam ko nakailang ganito ka na din, di ba?
Pangalawang attend ko to, so what I'm getting from the experience is yung efficiency ng pag-share, though kasi syempre may mga moments din na na hindi tayo efficient when we talk pero yung may time limit, ang saya lang nung experience na you tend to share everything nang in a small period of time. Ang saya lang.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, coaches. Ayan, at dahil na tayo, warm up na tayo, burning questions agad, okay? So, this one, fast talk tayo, ha? Ready na ba kayo? Tigi-isa lang para hindi tayo mag-overtime at di tayo nalalagyan sa survey. Okay, ready? Ayan, the first question is for my favorite Champy. Coach RJ, what's one mindset shift that separates a Kaizen graduate from a real 5-week challenger? Kasi 5-week challenge na. Someone who's hungry for legacy and not just results. Go!
Yeah. Siguro one mindset shift is because I'm a firm believer of manifestation. Isa to sa mga na-instill if kapag Kaizen graduate ka na you are a firm believer, andun ka na agad sa end state mo and naniniwala ka agad na malalagpasan mo yung 5-week challenge. And one quick tip for the 5-week challenge is first, practice implementation. Ando ka agad sa end state na matatapos mo yung 5-week challenge ng sobrang gandang transformation. That's it.
I love it. Ang bilis. Ang galing. Nag-practice yata ito si Coach.
So yun, parang well-rehearsed si RJ.
I know. Alam mo, hindi ko binigay yung questions na yan. Pero may tanong ako, Champy. Share mo naman yung latest manifestation mo at yung latest manifestation na nangyari na. Ayan, share mo sa kanila.
Right. Yeah, so recently, I got abundance in form of pera, syempre, di ba? I manifested January 2 talaga na I will be the top ambassador. And luckily, nung March 17 or 19, I received a specific sum of money na pwedeng pambili ng LV bag, which is, I'm going to Europe. So nakakatawa lang kasi parang yung pinanggagastos ko sa mga gala ko is nakuha ko from my other sources of income. So, ayun guys, naniniwala ako sa journal action and then manifestation. So when you jam with the Lord, you get what you want. So jam with
I
it.
love that. Type nyo yun. Huwag yung kalimutan. Mag-notes kayo dahil ang ating featured guests ay nandito na ngayon. Sulitin natin. Okay. Thanks so much, Champy. May last words. Bago kainin ng dilim. May last words ka ba? Para sa ating yan.
Yeah, siguro last word, give it your best, give it your all, because this is the last few weeks of the challenge. And guys, remember that this is a 100 days challenge, not with anybody, but with yourself. So stop comparing your result with anybody, because the thief of comparison. Lagi ko yan sinasabi sa lahat ng student. And be grateful kung ano yung magagawa mo. And ayun nga, be thankful, be practicing gratitude really elevates. Kasi kapag nagpasalamat ka sa little things that happens in your life, when you compile all the small things, it becomes very big and abundant. So yun guys, and always pray and connect with the Lord kasi siya lang naman makakatulong sa inyo. I know some of you guys are currently in a dip right now, pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi hindi tayo iiwan ni God. Wow, nagiging emotional. First question pa na. But guys, I hope na the next challenge is ma-surpass nyo siya and connect with other people. Definitely, makakatulong sa inyo is the Kaizen community. And join Heijo Kai Show lagi kasi ma-enjoy kayo weekly. Ayun, maraming salamat.
Thank you sa promotion, Champy. Hindi, totoo yun, guys. Actually, just for, fun fact, kaya nabuo yung Heijo Kai Show is because nag-burn out kami sa kakapost sa circle. Seryoso yun. Sabi namin, tara, isip tayo high impact, low effort. Hindi to low effort, guys. Pero at least, we know na what to do every week. So, hindi na siya super high effort for us, pero high impact because we get to connect with each other. Ayan, tas isa pang fun fact, yung Speed Connect, actually dapat yan speed dating nung Valentine's Day. Walang kumagat. Walang single daw, sabi. So sabi namin, fine, mag-network na lang tayo sa isa't isa. So naging Speed Connect siya. Tapos nagustuhan siya ng mga tao ng ating mga Heijo Kaizens. So ayan, naging permanent fixture na siya ng show. So thank you so much for being here. And thank you, Champy. You can shout out later. Let's go to Coach Blessa. Ayan, Coach Blessa, for you naman. During your final 5 weeks, or yung 5-week challenge siguro, or final weeks, before winning season 6, ayan, what mental pattern or limiting belief almost cost you the crown or the championship, and how did you break through it? Ayan, love ko to for you. Go, let's go.
No, I guess yung belief for me was my best effort wouldn't be good enough. Yun yung,
Wow.
it was the, parang, I was going through my second dip na at the time. Peak pagod na rin. Tapos, di ba, you're battling with uncertainty. Kasi hindi mo naman malalaman if magiging champion ka when you are when you're doing your steps, when you're working out, when you're doing your intensity or cardio, hindi mo malalaman at that point in time if magiging champion ka or not. So, at parang, as in, naila ko, nag-open up ako sa team, kinakausap ko na si ChatGPT, as in, lahat na kinakausap ko, nag-open up na rin ako kay Chab. Tapos, parang, ang naging realization ko na lang is, I have to see for myself if it is. Kasi hindi ko talaga malalaman. Like, at that point in time, kunyari, week 9 na, week 8 na, hindi mo naman malalaman kung magcha-champion ka na by the end of it or kung magiging 5WC winner ka. Pero what if magiging 5WC winner ka if nabigay mo yung best effort mo pero hindi mo binigay? So parang, it was really just, okay, ang gagawin ko is I want to see what my best looks like. And then, makikita na lang natin at the end kung makikita na lang natin at the end if it was worth it. And minsan, you don't need the results eh. Parang you just need to show yourself na ito pala yung kaya kong gawin. Ito pala yung limits ng magagawa ko. So, yun lang siya. I think, at some point, medyo resigned na ako. Hala, kapag binigay ko ba yung best effort ko, hindi ko makukuha ko pa siya. And yun, in the words of Sisi, puntahan mo muna. As in, ibigay mo muna lahat. Kasi minsan, gugulatin mo yung sarili mo na kaya mo. Yun siya.
Love that, Coach Blessa. Actually, no, tama yon. Like, puntahan mo muna, just do your best. The results are not the more important thing, no? It's more the journey and what kind of person you become. So, thank you, Coach Blesa. Do you want to share with them yung kahit onti na yung napag-usapan natin, remember, sa Slack, kung okay lang sa'yo?
Parang, when the pressure, like, one thing na natutunan ko from Coach Chi that also helped me, when you're dealing with the pressure of going through big things, and minsan meron rin yung fear na, okay, what if hindi ko siya magawa? Ang tinuro niya sa akin at that time, and I carry it with me today, is the reason I'm scared of it is because or the reason I'm putting so much pressure on myself is because I want to do well at this task. So, yun lang siya. Parang, instead of reframing it na takot ako mag-fail, iniisip ko, oh, this means a lot to me. That's why I want to do really well at it. And, parang, since then, every time may na-encounter akong something bago na kinakabahan ako or parang feel ko na pressure ako, it's just, nire-remind ko na lang yung sarili ko na fear and excitement have the same symptoms. Alam mo yung bumibilis yung tibok ng puso mo, kinakabahan ka. So, I just think of it as, okay, excited ako. And excited ako because I really want to do well, not just sa 5WC, but for my own transformation and for the remainder of the Kaizen season. So, that's what I remind myself na it's not may pressure, pero at the same time, it's because I want to do it. And mataas yung standards ko and expectations ko for myself. And it's good type of yun lang.
Yes, love that. Thank you for sharing that, Coach Blesa. No? You care so much that you feel like you have to do so well. It's important to you. And not because you don't want to fail. No? Like, yeah, lahat naman tayo ayaw natin mag-fail. But yes to the reframing of I'm excited versus I'm afraid. I love that. O diba guys? 5-week challenge. Ready na ba kayo? Meron pa tayong isang legendary dito, si Coach Igor. Ready ka na ba sa aking burning question?
Actually, parang gusto ko na masira yung internet ko kasi ang lupit ko.
Mas maganda yung tanong ko sa'yo. Intayin mo lang. Ayun na pala. Ready. Okay. You've captured hundreds of transformations already. Maybe thousands. But when someone enters the 5-week zone, yung 5-week challenge natin, what unseen change in their energy or aura tells you they're going all in? Ika-capture ko tong transformation na to.
Hindi ko na-get.
Ito, sabi, ang dami mo na raw nakitang transformation. Paano mo malalaman na, uy, all in tong si ate or all in to si kuya? Yan. Anong klaseng energy or aura yun? Ano nakikita?
Well, first of all, ayun nga, marami na ako na-experience talaga na mga nagpapapicture sa akin. And aside from these people came prepared during the shoots, yung naramdaman ko sa kanila, one of the common behaviors na feel ko sa kanila is yung detachment from winning, yung gratitude na nafe-feel ko sa kanila na ma-showcase lang yung transformation itself. They are really detached from getting the champion title, the plaque, or the prizes, or kung anong corresponding amount ba yung makukuha nila. Yung detachment, ayun, yung sobrang nakita ko sa kanila, yung detachment plus gratitude at the same time, ibang level of attracting the manifestation din na sinasabi ni RJ. When it comes to law of attraction, alam ko secondary law lang yun eh. May primary law, which is the law of vibration, na yung mga participants na yun, sila mismo ang nag-tune in ng mga sarili nila to get the award. So, that is why during the shoot, nararamdaman ko talaga sa kanila na I'm winning my own game, whether I am going to be declared as the top performer or not. So, ayun. So, nararamdaman ko yan not only sa individual but also sa group, starting with the Team Adam, sa Squammies, sa Metanoia, So they just give value. So whatever the output is, we don't care. Basta we're just going to give value, and regardless kung ma-recognize kami, ma-awardan kami, then thank you. So ganun. So ganun yung nakikita kong pattern nila, and I just hope everyone can do the same kasi yung competitiveness naman natin hindi talaga siya mawawala eh. But ako as someone na part ng generation ko, naniniwala pa rin ako sa delayed gratification. So if we're going to detach ourselves for winning the game, or ka-impokrito ka naman na ayaw mo manalo. Pwede gusto natin manalo, but yung mismong sobrang gigil ka to the point na yung overall stress level, ibang level na kasi wala kang ibang inintindi kundi makuha yung first place, makuha yung plaque. Pag hindi siya nangyari, grabe yung disappointment din. And then, you'll end up blaming yourself. What did I do? Parang, bakit ganun? So, yun lang. So, ayun lang. One tip of advice, you can go you can go with the winning spirit and then trust the process, but always detach to the outcome. And live intentionally. So, ayun.
Grabe,
Dahil
Miss Universe! Tama na, extra ko sa'yo pag Miss Universe question. Well done. Coach Igo, may follow-up ako sa'yo. Ayan.
Oh my God.
Kailangan na ba nila mag-book ng photoshoot ngayon? Magpa-Igo
May
file na
slot
ngayon.
ka pa ba? Tanong. May slot ka pa ba?
May mga slots pa ako natitira.
May slots pa daw. Madaling yan. Sold out yan si Coach Igo. Mag-usap na kayo sa WAM nyo, di ba?
Which that's ko lang, kung ako, first Kaizen champion, si Bless sa season 6 champion, si Igo naman tawag namin sa kanya, photographers of the champion. Kasi lahat ng naging champion na shoot niya. So if you guys are aiming to be the next champion, dapat magpa-photoshoot kayo kay Igo. So hindi siya advertisement lang. Sobrang ganda ng craft ni Igo. He's the best at doing whatever he does, di ba?
Correct.
Grabe
I couldn't have
yung
said it
promotion
better.
yan, RJ.
I was
Grabe.
trying to say
Grabe.
that. Ang galing ni Champy. Champy talaga. Very good. Tama
Hindi
yun,
ako,
guys.
sa totoo
Meron kaming term na nabuo for Coach Igo is to get ego-fied. O, diba? Yan. Kaya yung aming mga OFW sa Hejo Kai Clan talaga nag-book na for Coach Igo. Maaga pa lang. Coach Igo, kailan yon? Tandaan mo ba? Ako hindi.
Ilan ko ang buong araw sa inyo, guys. Sobrang ilan ko.
Wow.
Pero adding to that, the main reason why nasa-showcase ko talaga yung transformation photo kasi babalik pa rin ako sa vision ni Cici kasi yung company talaga niya is kahit hindi ko nakikita si Cici everyday, hindi kami mag-usap everyday, that's okay. Basta andun yung vision niya. And kahit sinong businessman or sinong employee, kapag nakakita ng vision, yun yung ipa-follow mo. Kasi yung mga skill na meron kami or skill na meron ako sa photography, madaling matutunan yan eh. But if you don't have the vision na sinusundan, I don't think mapupull off mo yung photoshoot. So yun lang, naniniwala ko sa mga bawat nag-champion na ayan, sila RJ, si Blessa. Until now, lalo sa si RJ, above anyone else, parang si RJ sa lahat ng champion yung nakikita ko. Living talaga siya, legacy talaga siya. So much na much sa kanya yung
Match ang project
title, yung kanyang clan na Project Legacy. Kasi kung pera lang pag-uusapan, marami siya niyan. Sobrang daming ni RJ. Pero yun nga, I believe pwede naman siyang gumawa sa totoo lang, pwede naman siyang gumawa ng sarili niyang community But I always believe na one thing na nag-stay sa amin dito is the vision itself.
Agree. And si Coach RJ, very selfless. Like, hindi niya matitiis na hindi magbigay ng value. Bayad o hindi niya matitiis. So, yan talaga ang ating champion of living and embodiment of Kaizen. So, etong mga tao na ngayon, mga featured guests natin, guys, just ko, learn from them, talk to them, hindi sila nangangain ng tao. And because of that, we have 5 slots, okay? Ayan, 5 slots to ask your question directly. Yes po, may replay. To our 3 featured champion guests. Ayan. Ready na ba kayo? 5 lang, guys. Pauna na lang. And you have 3 minutes each to ask your question and get your answer. So this is where it gets fun sa ating guests, no? Kailangan makasagot kayo agad bago sila mawala at kainin ng dilim, okay? Ready? Alright, so magpa-pop up yung ating join activity. First 5, ayan na, can get to ask them a question. Ang bibilis, tapos na po. Okay, ready? Bababa muna ako, ayan. Kaya nyo na yan. Kayo na pili ng sino sasagot. Go, Arlene! Welcome to Hey Jokay Show!
Hi! Yan, simula na pala. Sorry. Bahala na po kayo kung sino yung sasagot. Tanong ko lang is, ano yung pinaka-deepest why nyo? Kung bakit kayo nag-come up dun sa point na parang gusto ko talagang manalo? Ano yung nag-push talaga sa inyo to make it yung kung anong meron kayo ngayon as a champion? Ayun. Yan lang.
Lesson.
Go, RJ.
Okay. Yung sa akin kasi, I always felt like I was limiting what I do. So parang lagi akong pinapangunahan ng takot, ng duda. So gusto ko lang makita ano bang itsura ng kapag binigay ko na talaga yung lahat-lahat ko, as in best effort, ano yung capability ko as an individual if I don't let fear or doubt get in the way. So yun lang, it was parang I wasn't really aiming for champion. Hindi naman I wasn't aiming for champion, pero parang it was along the way na kapag binigay ko na ba yung lahat-lahat ko, makukuha ko pa yung title. So yun lang siya, parang kapag hindi ko hinayaan yung fears ko, yung doubts ko na manguna, ano ba yung kaya kong kayo ba coaches? Ano sa iyo?
Ego.
Ayun sa akin, ulitin ko lang, yung biggest why ko is naniniwala pa rin ako sa delayed gratification talaga. So, para lumaban ako, especially for someone na na-experience ma-hospitalize, magkaroon ng mga surgery. So, yung skill of bouncing back, yun yung talagang ina-aim ko. Though, yung mga previous season, gusto ko rin talaga manalo, but I realized na it's not all about talaga title eh. Kasi kung title lang ang pag-usapan, wala akong karapatan para magturo din ng ibang tao. But kasi as part of the coaching team I believe andun ako sa core na gusto ko rin matuto yung ibang tao through me. So, ayun yung pinaka biggest motivation ko rin para mag-continue sa own battle ko through fitness and in life in general.
Alright. Ako naman sharing ko, I'm a firm advocate of bullying. So nabully ako nung elementary saka high school and even college. So sabi ko, if there's a way that I can change the world, I think I can help to become a beacon of parang light para sa iba. Kasi na-imagine ko yung mga anak nyo, yung mga pinsan nyo, yung mga small na mga just imagine what they're going through alone. Kasi I felt already na how is it to be alone. But if I can do one thing to change the world and help a better world, diba? If I can change one person, kahit isang buhay lang every season, that would be the best, deepest why for me to help transform. Kasi actually before, na-imagine ko gusto ko maging champion, pero alam nyo, every season nagbabago siya. And this season, naniniwala na ako na that being a champion goes beyond plaques. It goes beyond yung mga recognition. Kasi ito nakakalimutan to. If I'm going to ask you guys, sino yung season 2, 3, 4, 5 na champion, hindi nyo maalala. Pero when I ask you kung sino yung naka-inspire, kung sino yung nagbigay sa inyo ng heartfelt message during your transformation journey, masasabi nyo kung sino yun. So I believe that being a champion is not about the plaques, it's about helping other people transform and being of value to other people. Kasi kung hindi ka makapagbigay ng value, what good of a champion you are, di ba? You should be an inspiration, a beacon of light to others, di ba? Ayun lang.
Ang ganda nun, Champi. Habang naglo-load si Ann, ang dami mong sinabi. Pero ang ganda pa din talaga. Okay, iklian natin ng onte para sa mga susunod.
Feeling ko, binigay niyo yung sagot. Feeling ko, rehearse talaga to. Ang galing ni RJ.
Alam mo, galing mo si mo. Asa na si Ann? Ann, where are you? Nangalahati na yung time mo, girl. Ganda nun, Champi. Gusto ko yan. Ganda ng tanong ni Arlene, no? Hindi tuloy siya nakapag-shoutout. Yan, nawala na si Ann. Si Patrick muna. Hi, Patrick! Naku, mag-e-Espanyol yan. Ready na ba kayo?
Hola. Question, how do you make Kaizen the last few days fun and memorable?
Lesa?
Anyone pa lang?
Narinig ko parang fun and sige.
Yeah.
Ang pagkakakuha ko is on how do you make the last few days of Kaizen fun and memorable? Enjoy the process, I would say. As in, I think we are sometimes we get too fixated at day 100 kung ano magiging itsura mo by week 15 that you don't get to enjoy the moments of now na I am in the process of becoming my version 2.0. So ayun, parang I take the time to meet people, I go to events, kahit na, alam mo yun, mababa na yung calories mo during cut. Pumupunta ako sa Manila to get motivation from other people to engage and to ask them. So, I think yun, enjoy the process and meeting new people and like savoring the moment. Kasi lilipas at lilipas yung oras naman.
Alright. So, ako naman, Patrick, how can I enjoy? I do celebrate milestone. I do believe that I don't need to wait until the end to celebrate. But celebrating small wins will actually make you happy, di ba? Kasi yung ibang tao, tama si Blessa, masyado silang na-fixate sa idea na kailangan at the end of 100 days pa tayo mag-celebrate. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na 100 days is not actually the destination, but it is actually, kumbaga parang pathway lang siya. So it's not going to end after 100 days, pero magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin yan. So ang nakakatuwa lang kasi even after this season, most of you guys will still join Kaizen because mag-iiba yung aspects niyo when it comes to your mindset. Magiging iba na yung priority niyo. Hindi na kasi magiging fitness. It's going to be more on pagpapayaman, relationship building. So it's going to be a big transformation. So ayun, to enjoy, join Hijokai show, guys. Para mag-enjoy kayo. Ayun, di ba? So, and kita nyo, nag-enjoy tayong lahat, di ba? Ayun.
Ako, I was about to say that yung pagsali ng mga ganitong show, yung mga iba't ibang cluster call, kasi habang bumababa yung calories na kinakain natin, pababa rin ng pababa yung energy natin. But if we have the best support systems, like this kind of clan or kind of cluster, medyo mabubush yung ating moral when it comes to pushing more. And syempre, to have it more memorable, kailangan mag-book na kayo kasi kasi
kinain na tuloy si Patrick ng dilim. Mag-book na kayo, guys.
Gusto ko yun.
May tanong ka sa
Photographer of Champions. Totoo yan. Ayan.
Yeah,
Thanks, Patrick. Hi, Hannah. Go ahead.
Sorry. Are your preparations during your 5-week challenge?
Preparations daw. 5-week challenge.
Preparation. Ikaw, Bless, ano bang preparation mo?
Ako nakalatag na yung adjustments ko from week 9 to week 13. Alam ko na yung gagawin ko, execute na lang ako. So, I sort of had the game plan na, okay, this is my calories, this is my protein, this is my steps. Ayoko na yung nag-iisip eh. So, as in, nakalatag na yung plano ko for week 9 to week 13. And then, gagawin ko na lang siya during the 5WC. And, siguro yung second piece is, alam ko na yung gumagana for me eh. So, kung overnight oats at chicken adobo yun na lang kakainin ko for the rest of the season. Yung nagpapa 1% sa akin eh. So, parang, ulit-ulitin mo na lang, double down on what works and remove what doesn't. So, yeah, yun yung I think yung naging preparation ko. More of having a plan and then executing it. Yun lang siya.
Siguro
Coach
sa
Igo.
akin yung naging preparation ko at magiging preparation ko for the 5-week challenge. Siyempre, I always believe na this is still a mental battle pa rin. So for me to be able na okay ang utak ko before mag-start ng 5-week challenge, kung sino pa yung hindi nakakapag-refeed, deload, this is the best time na gawin nyo siya para at least makapag-build kayo ng momentum para ma-start nyo na maayos yung inyong 5-week challenge. So, ganun yung nangyari sa akin last season, na itodo ko siya kasi na-combat ko na yung deep stage ko, nakapag-repeat ako, napakain ko yung sarili ko, yung kaluluwa ko, yung utak ko. So, by that time, nagtuloy-tuloy akong mag-cut. Yung 2 days repeat is really important for you to continue more. And then, kagaya nung kay Coach Blessa, since okay na yung utak ko, mas nag-stick ako sa mga same meal preparation ko all throughout the weeks. And then yun. So, ayun, yung mga preparations na ginagawa ko.
Yeah. For me naman, guys, usually every season I'm posting 5 weeks tips from me and from Project Legacy. So, abangan nyo to. Pero siguro one big tip that I can share is update and review your manifesto. Kasi dyan pa rin kayo babalik sa deepest why nyo. And another tip is set a demarcation line. What do I mean by this? Let go and let God. This is actually a powerful reminder to trust the process and to release control. Kasi minsan nakaka-overwhelm na yung mga bagay-bagay and it's feeling uncertain, di ba? But setting the demarcation line, this is the context where you represent the parang pivotal moment when you choose to surrender your worries, your doubts, and your stress. Kasi hindi yan mawawala. Pero what's going to be good about this is you don't have to do it alone. You actually have the community with you, your accountability bodies, and actually Heijo Kai Show. Andito sila lagi, di ba? So, yung pinagdanawan. Pero yun guys, let go and let God. So, kung ano man yung magiging result, give it your all and be thankful of the results.
Thank you so much, coaches. Love that. Go ahead, love. It's your turn.
Hi, everyone. Siguro yung question ko is directly for Coach Igo. As an aspiring photographer, gusto ko lang din sabihin kay Coach Igo na isa ka sa nag-inspire sa akin to pursue photography. I'm actually in school right now taking photography class. My question is, how do you deal with imposter syndrome or self-doubt in your craft? Or everybody can answer in everything in life or in Kaizen.
Well, first of all, yung imposter syndrome, whether you are a photographer or kahit sang industry ka nandun, normal siyang nafe-feel. But as long as you know how to acknowledge na nararamdaman mo siya, dun mag-start yung healing. Kasi kapag in-escape mo siya na ganun, kasi yung undeservingness na nafe-feel natin, normal naman talaga siya kasi tao lang tayo eh. But meron akong na-share dati na 4 R's on how are you going to combat imposter syndrome. So first, you have to recognize, recall mo siya, reframe, and then i-rebuild mo siya. So from that, mako-combat mo yung ganong feeling. Kasi you will always compare yourself to other people. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Kahit ako as a photographer, lagi ko nakikita na ang ganda nito, ang galing nila, mas magaling sila sa akin, parang hindi ko deserve magkaroon ng maraming clients. And that's absolutely fine. But i-acknowledge mo siya, i-feel mo yung pain, don't escape it, and then from there, saka mo siya unti-unting i-reframe na instead na ganito yung magiging atake ko, this is how I am going to do it. So instead na mainggit ako and then gawin ko siyang motivation, I will enroll more sa mga photography classes. So, yun. Ganun lang. Ganun ko lang siya ginagawa. So, yung imposter syndrome, tumatama talaga siya. It's okay. But acknowledge it. And sabi ni RJ, let go. Acknowledge and let go.
Yeah. Agree. Mag-share naman ako ng konti kasi pinag-usapan namin yan ni Claire na meron kasi kami lately imposter syndrome kasi sasamba kami sa stage ulit this coming November. So, if you guys are interested, manood guys. Charot. Nag-plan na. So, ayun guys. It is a bodybuilding show and feeling namin, hindi namin deserve pang sumampa. So just imagine, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang pero we already have this physique. Pero kine-question pa rin namin, do we deserve the spot? So ibig sabihin lang yan, hindi lahat is exempted to be parang magkaroon ng imposter syndrome. Pero what we did is we reframe your thoughts, or you should reframe your thoughts. So what you need to do is you need to challenge negative thoughts and reframe them. So instead of you thinking na parang you don't belong here, reframe it to I work hard to get here and I deserve this spot. So always reframing it actually helps us to make parang things makes it better, diba? So yun, maniwala kayo na you deserve it, and basically bibigay siya sa'yo ni universe.
And you deserve
Yung
it,
sa akin,
champion.
quick lang. Pero parang siguro leading with intention. Kasi minsan hindi naman nawawala yung feelings of self-doubt, of undeservingness, kagaya ng sabi ni Coach Igo. Pero sometimes it becomes a question of, is my doubt more important than whatever I want to do? So minsan yun na lang yung nagiging decision ko na, for example, when I first applied to be a Kaizen coach, parang fresh out of a season lang ako. So sabi ko lang, my intention to help students matters more than my own doubt. And I tried. So yun lang siya. Ground yourself in your intention. Ano bang gusto mong mangyari and what do you want to happen? And recognize if it's more important than the doubt you're currently facing. And dun ka mag-decide. I would say, yun yung thoughts ko on the topic. Yeah.
Grabe, best episode yata ito so far. Ang gaganda ng mga sagot. Jamie, may tanong ka. Let's go.
Yes, I'm just curious, ano po yung morning affirmations ng mga guests natin?
That's so nice. Ikaw ba, Coach Plesa?
Siguro yung sa akin kasi it's been more about being an empowered woman and learning to trust myself more deeply. Kasi yun nga, I battle with fears, I battle with doubts. So parang I don't ask for permission and I allow myself. And siguro yung second, mas sa mission statement ito, pero more of I see the best of what people can be and I call them up to their potential, and I hope to inspire possibilities not just in myself, but in other people as well. Yun lang, siguro.
Coach Igo?
Ako naman, after ko mag-meditate na 1 hour when I wake up, harap lang sa salamin talaga, ina-affirm ko yung sarili ko sa harap ng salamin. Ang cute mo, you look good today, you're going to be great, you're going to have a nice day. So, as simple as that, mabilis yung shift. Kasi ako, every time I wake up, 90% of my brain is really negative. But kung ang magiging routine mo is naumpisahan mong i-affirm yung sarili mo, if you serve yourself and if you choose yourself the first thing in the morning, I don't think hindi mo masaserve yung ibang tao ng mas maganda. So, yun, mag-domino effect siya. So, yung mga simple na ganong affirmations pang sarili, mag-aano siya, ripple effect.
Yeah,
Ang ganda.
that's so nice. Ako naman, ang non-negotiable ko every start of the day is, kasi dati nagsusulat ako, but I transferred from normal writing to e-journal kasi mas feasible siya sa akin since I'm shifting. So, ang first na nilalagay ko sa phone ko is, I am the champion of my life and I attract good and positive things in life. Kasi, naniniwala ako na alam nyo ba yun, na-feel nyo ba yun na minsan feeling nyo background lang kayo sa kwento ng ibang tao, na hindi kayo yung bida. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi sa mga tao na during the 100 days, gusto ko ma-feel ng mga students ko, specifically yung mga na-handle ko, na sila yung bida. Gusto ko sila yung champion, sila yung end state ng gusto nilang mangyari. Kasi alam nyo yun, kwento na nga ng buhay nyo, tapos hindi pa kayong yung bida. So ang lungkot naman yun. So be the champion version of your life. So hindi kailangan mabigyan kayo ng plaque para masabing champion version na kayo, kahit na week 8 pa lang. Pero kung ngayon pa lang na-feel nyo na champion na kayo, definitely that's going to be your end state. Kasi walang plaque or recognition na makapagsabi na hindi kayo champion, guys. So, I hope you guys feel na kayo yung champion ng buhay nyo and you will attract good and positive things in life.
Bawiin nga namin yung plaque mo kung di ka maluloko.
Tsaka yung top ambassador.
Bawiin nga namin.
Ang ganda. Nako, ano ba yan? Hindi nyo naman ako winner na Miss Universe pala tayo tonight. Ayan, si Anne may tanong pa. Anne, paakyatin si Anne, guys. I-host si Anne. Si Anne kasi nalaglag siya. So, okay lang ba maitanong niya yung question niya live sa inyo, guys? Ayan. Sino si Anne? Ayun. Hi, Anne. Go ahead. Ask your question.
Hello po. Magandang gabi. Nadala na yung emotions ko nung mga sagot sa previous question. So, especially for Coach Champy, putting yourself in my shoes. I'm a newbie po. I am preparing for the 5-week challenge and I want to maximize it. Kung kayo po yung nasa first time challenge na ito, ano yung affirmation nyo sa sarili nyo or for yourself na dadalhin nyo for the whole 5 weeks? At and ano yung ima-manifest nyo after ng 5 weeks na to, holding this affirmation?
Yeah. So, before 5 weeks challenge, nagsiset agad ako ng intention ng end state ko. Pero the question here is, like this, Anne, how bad do you want it? Kasi ito yung magde-determine kung ano magiging result mo. Kasi if you like, gusto mo lang ng mediocre result, ganito lang yung magiging effect sa'yo. Pero ang tanong talaga, before you start is, how bad do you want it? So if you want it really bad and gusto mo talaga mag-transform, you should give it your all. Because this 5 weeks challenge is actually parang, ito na yung patapos na ng season natin. And I think, giving your best, giving your all, alam mo yun, adding extra step, reducing your calories, it's going to be difficult. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo, but it's going to be worth it. Kasi like si Blessa and si Igo, hindi nila na-meet yung champion version nila kapag bumigay sila doon sa 5 weeks challenge. So it's going to be mind-battling, it's going to be gruesome, it's going to be bloody. Mahihirapan ka, yan ilagay mo sa ulo mo. Pero ano ba yung gusto mong marating? When we step out of our comfort zone, doon natin nakikilala yung champion version natin. So yun, Anne, sana makita mo yung champion version mo after this 5 weeks challenge and sana maging champion version ka.
Thank you po.
Shoutout ka na.
I'm ready and I badly need it.
Yes. Yung question how bad do you want it? Diba? Yun talaga. Kasi kung ang sagot mo lang naman is gusto mo lang matapos, then you will not get the results that you're looking for. Kasi your action and your end state should coincide. Kasi kung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na gusto mo maging sexy, pero your action is 1,000 steps lang naman ginagawa mo a day, so how can you go to your destination if mali yung transportation na sasakyan mo, di ba?
It's very powerful po. Thank you.
Salamat, Anne. I'm rooting for you. Sana ma-meet kita sa Dubai. Sa Dubai ka, right?
Yes po.
Ayun. Sana ma-meet kita sa season 8.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anne. Mag-shoutout ka na yung isang mabilis. Naka-mute ka. Naka-mute
Coach,
ka,
Coach. Okay na.
Okay na.
Ayun. Shout out po sa aking coach, Coach Camille, sa aking very powerful Grit and Grace team, and sa buong UAE team. Ayun. Sa aking mga idols, Coach Blessa, Coach Chi.
Okay, alright. Thank you so much, Anne and coaches. Oh my God, napakaganda naman ng episode na to. Buti na lang meron tayong replay. Ayan, tapos na yata kami, Coach Loy. Tama ba? Check-in na tayo.
Yes, tapos na.
Back to you, Coach Loy. Ay, wait lang. Pa-shoutoutin natin ng coaches. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Coach Blessa, balik ka dito. Ayan. Okay, game. Shoutout muna tayo. Ladies first. Coach Blessa, go ahead.
Hello? Meron ba? Ayun. So, shout out to my team, Alpha Vixens, to Project Venus, home of women champions, and to my students who are also here. So, hello. Nakita ko yung kagad-sagad babes. They're here. So, hello from Team Desa.
Ayun. Ang barangay ni Coach Blessa. Thank you. Coach Igo?
Hi, shout out sa Team Squammies, Project Legacy, dadamay ko na kayo. Tapos sa mga students ko rin na nanonood ngayon. And sa entire LFG cluster. And Hejo Kai. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Love you. Coach RJ.
And guys, ayun, medyo marami tayong sponsor for tonight. So I would like to thank, shout out sa Team Barangays, US Rising, Metanoia, Sizen, Flex King, Kanafa Queens, Pro Team Shake, Team Adam, Alpha Vixen, and Project Venus, Project Legacy, Unbelievable Cluster, Coaching Leads, Chumpy Babies, Premium Coaches, and Team Replay Connect. So sobrang dami. And thank you very much, Hejo Kai, for having us here. Diba? Sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito sa series na to. And for sure, babalik pa ako.
Yan! Love to hear that. Grabe, may listahan siya. Napansin niyo.
Correct. Ginawa niyo yung time.
May magtampo.
Grabe.
Ang dami sponsor. Buong barangay pala nandito. Kaya pala. Good job tayo dyan. Thanks, Coach. Kung hindi mo kami binanggit, pagtatampo na ako sa'yo. Okay, back to you, Coach Lauren, Coach Jayga. Ay, Coach Jayga. Jayga, thank you so much, coaches. Ayan, mag-halftime po.
Sa ating coaches.
Huwag muna kayong aalis. Huwag muna.
Thank
Coach
you,
Igo, magdala ka ng listahan sa susunod, ha? Para ano. Ayun, so before we move on to the next segment, mag-photo booth muna tayo. Pero wag muna kayong umalis kasi may another photo booth pa din tayo at the end. Pero habang marami pa tayo, mag-photo booth muna tayo, Coach Loy.
G, join activity lang kayo guys sa photo booth.
Ayun ang photos. Kasi sa akin hindi yung cam, pero napicturean pala ako.
Ayan. Wait lang natin guys. Check natin yung ating photos. By the way, those photos can be downloaded. Right? Just click the download button at the top right. Ayan. Okay. Nagde-develop lang yung iba guys. Nagde-develop lang. Ha? Kodak
RD
tayo.
nagtatago na naman.
Kodak moments natin.
Sa TR session din, ganyan picture niya.
O, diba?
Ayan. O, sige, move on tayo. Guys, huwag mo na kayong aalis. We have so much more to offer you.
Marami
And nandito pa ang ating coaches. Oo, hindi naman sila aalis.
Yes, and we have announcements sa mga nag-join sa Hejo Kai Challenge natin this week. So stay tuned for that in a little bit later. Okay?
Okay. Grabe. Grabe yun. Sobrang grabe ng mga shinare ng ating mga feature guests. Grabe yung yung timing ng pag-attend nyo tonight, guys. Sobrang solid. At dahil dyan, right? Quick energy check-in lang muna tayo bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating next segment. Ano ang nararamdaman natin ngayon? Grabe. Lahat fired up and ready for the 5WC. Grateful. Right? Grabe.
Yan o, ready na sila.
Ready na. Ready na para sa 5WC. And remember, tomorrow guys, may lesson tayo, no? For our upcoming 5WC and the mechanics. So, wag tayo mawawala. 11 a.m. tomorrow. Okay? Alright. Dahil dyan, ano ang ating next segment? Jayga.
Okay. Balik tayo sa ating crowd favorite na segment. Nabitin sa mga nabitin kanina. Speed Connect ulit tayo.
Ayun. Alright. Nagbabalik na sila mula sa Speed Connect. I-flex nyo na. Nakatapos ba kayo o hindi? Yan lang naman lagi nyo sinasabi. After ng Speed Connect Nakatapos ba?
Hindi pa din. Ba yan?
Mark, ano ba yan? Nakakahiya ka naman. Varsity ka na rin ito.
Hindi ko di natapos. Yung maitim ka na, kinain ka pa ng dilim. Ang kulit.
Okay. May speed connect pa tayo mamaya, guys. Pero bago yon, di ba? Pinagbakasyon lang muna natin si Coach Aris kasi syempre deserve rin niya yun, di ba? Vacation muna siya. Pero hindi naman siya magbabakasyon na wala siyang iniwan sa ating Body Mastery Pose of the Week. Kaya dahil dyan, share na natin kung ano yon.
Hi Kaizen fam! Today, we're gonna learn how to do a side tricep pose. 1. Spike the calf in front of you by bringing your heel off the ground and shifting your weight onto your toe. Then squat down slightly. 2. Take the farthest knee and push it slightly into your other leg. So kung na-try nyo na yung side chest before, it's the same. 3. Clasp your hands behind your back. For this, we can do 2 grip. One is locking your finger together. And 2, sa mga hindi flexible, is you can just grab the wrist of your front hand. Four, keep your torso in an upright position as you flex your abs while pulling your abdominal wall in as far as you can. Open or rotate your body slightly but do not pull your arm behind you. Dapat nakakapit pa rin siya. And lastly, do not shrug your shoulders and keep your chin up. Let's put it together. And that's how you do a side tricep pose. Hello Kaizen fam! Here's the guide on how to perform an overhead cable rope tricep extension. Set the cable pulley to the middle position. On this level, mas madali nating marorotate ang katawan natin to the starting position. Hold the rope attachment with both hands and palm facing each other. Rotate your body and keep your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and core engaged. Extend the rope overhead, keeping your arms straight. Imagine pointing your elbow to the ceiling and try to keep it close to your ears. Slowly lower the rope behind your head, keeping your upper arms still and only moving your forearms. If your forearms are moving, reduce the weight to correct your form. Extend the rope back to the starting position and squeeze your tricep at the top of the movement. And finally, repeat for the desired number of repetitions. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, I'm Ken, your Vault Queen of Heijukai Valkyries. I hope you guys enjoyed our Body Mastery segment. We still had a lot of things for you guys, so be sure to stick around. And just a few reminders before I go. We are nearing the end of our 100-day transformation journey. Remember to do your weekly review and note the improvements you can make for this week. Always engage and participate more in your accountability group and the Kaizen community. Bye!
And love you.
Grabe!
Nangagpay siya.
Nakatanggap pa ng minors ang Kaizen. Ang basa na si Jake.
Wait, si Jumpy! Pakitaan mo naman kami!
Jumpy, iaangat ko na.
Nag-sugar lang.
Angat na
Hindi
na.
ka pa rin kasi bro.
Iangat na natin, Coach Jumpy, oh.
Hindi ako hindi na pa rin sundo.
Wala daw sa kasunduan, Coach Chi.
Ay.
Coach, sulitin lang natin yung sando mo.
Oo na. Bigyan ka namin ng Heijukai sando.
Isang double bicep flex na pose.
Oo nga, Coach.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Thank you, Coach Chappy.
Thank you, Coach. Love you. Galing.
Maraming salamat. And thank you, Coach Aris, kahit wala ka dito tonight for this episode. Di ba? Para sagutin ang questions namin next week. Balik kayo guys para matanong natin yung questions natin for Coach Aris. But before that, ang next segment natin, syempre, di ba? Ang next segment natin ay ang ating commercial fund, ang ating
Nuggets.
Dance with the Dip.
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys and fam, this is Ken. I'm your Vault Queen from Heijukai Valkyrie of the Heijukai clan under the Home of Champions. I'm just here to remind you that deep stage is normal. We all go through with it. So we just have to dance with it. And it's just like the cutting and the bulking phase. Sabi nga nila, mas masarap tumambay sa bulking. So it's like with the deep phase, ang cutting ay dinadaanan lang. Alright? So with that being said, to everyone who joined, you are all winners in our hearts. Keep dancing, keep shining, keep showing up. This is just the beginning. You all rock. Alright, the moment you have all been waiting for. You danced, you voted, you showed up. Now it's the time to announce our winners.
Winner.
Ayun.
Ayan, congrats everyone.
Grabe, ang daming votes ni Coach Juan.
Kaya nga, Coach Juan, nandiyan ka ba?
Coach Juan, angat ka dito, akit ka
Coach Juan, nandiyan ka ba?
Ikaw nandito.
Angat natin.
Coach Juan, sayaw ka, Coach Juan. Coach Juan, pasampo ng sayaw.
Ayan. Coach, inakyat ko na. Turn on video, Coach. Ayan na po ang winner. Uy, sa ibang winners, congrats sa ganda ng entries nyo. Congratulations sa lahat.
Yes. Congratulations sa 10 entries.
Ayan si Coach. Ipin natin si Coach. Congrats, Coach. Kumusta naman? How do you feel?
Masaya, syempre, kasi passion ko yung dancing. Tapos, parang wala naman to showcase it other than, ayun, nagpa-contest ko. Tapos, I tried joining, ganun. Actually, pagkakita ko nung, pagkatag sa akin ni V, ang ingay na. Sabi ko, sige, magpo-post na ako agad. So, ayun, ganun ko siya kagustong gawin. So, parang gusto ko i-connect sa mga sinabi nila, Chappy, kanina. How bad do you want it? So, ganun. That's how bad I wanted.
Wow! Nakita ko rin yung post mo, Coach. So, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita ang post ni Coach Juan, basahin nyo na, hanapin nyo sa circle. Very, very inspiring. Ayan, may nagsabi po.
Si Coach Juan, si Coach Juan ang first owner na nag-send ng entry.
O, diba? First out. Ano daw? Galing. May pa-shoutout ka ba, Coach? Ay, ikaw ba nanalo ng one-on-one? Siya ba? Ito na ba yun? Ayan,
Gusto kong
tayo.
I-share ko na din puro yung yung reason ba't din ako nag-join. Kahit coach na ako, parang pwede ko naman talagang hindi na ako mag-join. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko din mag-set ng example sa community na kailangan natin mag-connect at mag-engage kahit ano yung nangyayari sa atin. Kasi even the coaches, actually kahit ako, nag-deep din ako. And nung nakita ko yung yung competition, parang doon na-ignite yung, na-empower, parang na-energize ako na gusto ko mag-join. And na-divert yung isip ko from feeling the deep, experiencing the deep fully, yung parang yung negative effect niya. Actually, na-counter attack niya yun by just enjoying yung competition. Tapos, nagkaroon din ako ng avenue to show kung ano yung nangyari sa akin nung pandemic, which is I was really depressed and suicidal nung time na yun. Pero yung iba may TikTok, sumasayaw, ganyan for entertainment. But during my time nung pandemic, yun yung sabi ko nga, lifeline ko siya. Kasi I was at the rock bottom ng life ko and then isinasayaw ko lang. And then nakita ko si Kaizen. Kasi sabi ko, taba ako na din. Gusto ko na mag-fitness, ganyan. Tapos nung habang nagka-Kaizen ako, akala ko nag-fitness lang. Unti-unti pala akong nahihil dun sa mga past hurts ko. Tapos, nung one time, sabi ko nga dun sa shinare ko, may nagpe-play na music sa isip ko. Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko alam kung officially mixing yun kasi shower yun eh. Tapos, biglang talagang alam ko yung tugtog eh. Tapos biglang nakita ko na yung sarili ko na nag-groove, ganun. Parang sabi ko, it's a mark na wala na ako dun sa part na down ako. Kasi nakakasayaw na ulit ako nang hindi ko napapansin. But out of joy lang talaga. So yun, gusto ko lang i-share yung story na yun na for pwedeng hindi sasayaw. Yung iba, siguro yung passion nila, mag-host, mag-ganyan. Yung iba, pwedeng makita natin they are silly things, but for other people, malalim yung pinaghuhugutan nila. Kaya ang saya sa Kaizen kasi we support each other. Kasi sa bawat isa, may malalim na hugot ba't natin ginagawa yung bagay-bagay. So this 5-week challenge, balik lang tayo sa hugot na yun kasi yun yung magpapakontinue sa atin hanggang matapos natin yung season na to. Nang successful tayo. Yun lang.
Grabe! Oh my God! I would echo what Mark said. Ay, si 30 pala. Grabe, kala ko tapos na ang dose of inspiration for this episode. May bonus round pa from Coach Juan. So, congratulations, Coach! Ayan, and thank you so much din sa mga nag-vote. Tsaka sa mga entries.
Kasi yung photoshoot ko na yun, si Coach Igo yung kumuha din pala. So, kaya...
Nagtatampo na siya, hindi mo siya tinatawag.
Kaya
Igo 5 naman pala. Si
Igo 5 din po ako. Yung picture na ginamit na is for Coach.
Diba? Coach Igo, wala na. May word na for you. Thank you so much, Coach Juan. Ayan, back to you, Loy and Jacob.
Thank you, Coach Chi. And thank you, Coach Juan. Right? Ako, lumalalim na ng lumalalim ang gabi. Pero, di ba? Hindi pa enough yung madilim na sa labas. Siyempre, gusto pa rin natin kainin tayo ng kadiliman, di ba? Meron pa tayong last 2 rounds ng ating Speed Connect. No, Jega? Ito na yung last 2 rounds natin bago tayo mag-wind down.
Yes, yes.
Merong isang announcement, Coach Lloyd.
Meron pa ba ibang announcement? Oh, okay.
Yes, from Replay Connect.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Andyan na Replay Connect. Andyan si Patrick.
Akyat natin si Patrick.
Yeah, the Heijo Kai Show in collaboration with Replay Connect.
Hi, Patrick! Ayan, akyat.
Pin ko si Patrick. Go, Patrick!
Ayan. Kala ko speed na connect na. Hola, Ijokai Clan, kumusta? I'm Patrick, I'm from representing Replay Connect, and I'm here to announce a collaboration made with Heijokai Show and the Replay Connect. So this idea sprouted during our Zoom call with Heijokai Valkyrie, Ken. And the event is, ayan, drum roll, walang sound effects. The Heijokai Show Creative Cardio Challenge. So this is in collaboration with Replay Connect. It is basically a 1-minute cardio challenge. So anong gagawin natin dito? Basically, just have to do a treadmill for 1 minute and make it creative. So it's up to you kung sasayaw ka ba, kakanta, or rampa ala Miss Universe, or parang fashion walk ng bench fashion show. So of course, please take note of your safety. So the mechanics will be posted in circles. Kali abangan nyo lang po. And why should you join? So this is in collaboration with our 5-week challenge. So this is just another fun way to show up and step up. Gaya ng sabi nila, diba? Just continue showing up. Just important days to remember. The last day of submission will be on March 26, Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. PH time, and the voting closes at March 29, Saturday, 12 a.m. So again, that's before the Hijokai show. So kindly make abang na lang po sa ating mga mechanics. And of course, the entry with the most votes will be crowned winners. Sabi nga ni Champi RJ, manifestations. I-manifest natin yung mga rewards natin and special prizes. And this includes real rewards like a Hijokai Clan badge and a gift from Replay Connect, which is a whey protein. So another reward is exciting raffle prizes during the season ender, including exclusive Hijokai merch. So that's it for my announcement. And plug in ko lang yung Replay Connect every Monday, 11 p.m. PH time for the Team OFW, Team Night Shifters, and Team Replay. Ayan. Thank you, Hijokai. Gracias and adios.
Mucho gracias, Patrick. And thank you as well, Ken, for making this happen for us. Grabe. Diba? Grabe yun. Grabe tong episode na to, Jega. Ano nangyayari?
Ang daming nangyayari. Ang daming mga words of wisdom na kahit ako na returnee, for sure na, alam mo yun, magagamit ko talaga.
I agree.
Yung result natin mas firm in the upcoming 5-week challenge. So,
kahit ako, para akong na-re-energize, no? I feel more re-energized for the last 46 days of this season. Grabe yung mga sharings ng mga coaches natin. Pati yung bonus ni Coach Juan. At dahil dyan, di ba? Magwa-wind down na tayo. So, kailangan nating simulan ang ating Speed Connect number 4 and 5. Nagbabalik na silang lahat.
Thank you, guys.
O sabihin yung hindi pa kayo nakatapos. Hindi pa rin kayo nakatapos. Ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Question 1 pa lang sila.
Ano ba yan? Question 1 pa lang kayo? Okay, dahil dyan, you can redeem yourself on our last Speed Connect session for tonight. Ready na kayo? React muna kayo dyan ng isa lang. Ito yung audience ngayon na masipag mag-react eh. Ayun, nakakagano naman. Okay, game na. Speed Connect number 5. Our last Speed Connect for tonight before our wind down. Ready? Hey, ayun, nagbabalik na sila. Sa may dapitan, Coach Jico.
Oo nga, sa dapit.
Alright.
Ay, hindi, sa Lacson yun.
Anong meron sa dapitan? Taga-UST ako.
Oh, lahat pala tayo
taga-UST din kami.
Yeah. Go to
Wow.
Pagka Sunday Lopez Canteen, tapos sa dapitan Topsy.
Bilyaran.
Hindi yung teka, inisip ko yung store, yung kainan na may mga gravy.
Love Light.
Hindi, iba pa. Isa pa sa dapitan yon. Almers ba? Almers. Yun. Parang paglabas mo, amoy ulam ka na.
Correct. Ako meron kami gusto doon, yung tindahan ng siomay. It's called Chambayan. 25 pesos, 5 malaking siomay. Hindi namin alam kung saan gawa yung siomay, pero masarap.
Sa pusa. Pusa na pala galing.
Magdala tayo dyan sa Sports Fest.
Shout out sa mga Tomasians dyan, mga kapwa Tomasians.
Hulaan niyo yung course namin, dali. Sige na, let's do it. Let's go.
Closing remarks na tayo and our ating wind down, di ba? At bago matapos ang lahat, di ba? Meron lang tayong konting announcements regarding sa ating badges, care of Coach Chi. Coach Chi, floor is yours.
Ako na pala. Let's go. Okay, guys. So, may announcement lang ako. Kasi, alam niyo naman, may badges tayo ng POAP at may badge tayo na Heijokai badge na in-house. Kaso, syempre, dahil bago lang yung system natin na Heijokai in-house badges, we had to fix things and balik muna tayo ng POAP. So I hope that's okay. May mga utang kami badge sa inyo. But we're fixing it. We're fixing the database and matatanggap nyo yung mga badge. Basta yung email, again, dapat pareho. Email sa survey, email sa POAP home. Yun lang ang importante. And kaming bahala sa mga badge nyo. Isisend namin yan sa inyo. Kasi meron kaming listahan ng attendees. Ayan. Pero sa mga survey responders, may listahan. Lahat pala may listahan. So we're good. But today, yan, POAP home tayo. Starting today hanggang end na ng season. So download nyo lang si POAP home. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Present na natin. Ayan. So, eto na po ang ating 5th episode 5 live attendee badge. Kung wala pa kayong POAP home app, so patype na lang Hejo Kai Clan, patype na lang ang pangalan. Download nyo lang sa iOS or Android or scan this QR code. Pag di nag-work, type nyo na lang POAP home. Pag meron na kayo, just log in with your email or register with your email address. Sabi ko, ito yung same email address you will use for the survey, okay? So, email address lang, and then click on Mint, and then secret word, and here's our secret word for today. Napakadali. THS, small letters, -5WC. Ang ating featured guests, please also download and claim your badge. May separate pa kayong badge as a featured guest. At sa akin naman gagaling yun. Bigyan ko na lang kayo. So ito ay para sa ating live attendees. And what are these badges for? Sasabihin niya ni Coach Lloyd tsaka ni Jayga later. Okay, but for now, this is brought to you by Hejo Kai Titans and of course, Hejo Kai Valkyries. Back to you, Coach Lloyd and Jayga.
Maraming salamat, Coach Chi! Yan, para saan nga ba ang ating mga badges, no? Ano nga ba itong mga badge na iniipon natin every episode? Siyempre, di ba? The badges are our way of giving you a reward for supporting the Hejo Kai Show, and at the end of the day, yung intention naman ng ating Hejo Kai Show is to give value to the community. So, at the end of the day, right, ano ba yung intention natin as the Hejo Kaizens, di ba? Uy, Hejo Kaizens, nagamit na, di ba? Anong intention natin as the Hejo Kaizens? It's for us to provide value and support to one another. Pero, again, yung intention na yun, may byproduct na prizes, di ba? Ano-ano nga ba yung ating prizes, di ba? Prizes!
Natin. Di ba may listahan? Did we already announce? Kasi each of us sa Hejo Kai Clan, we have committed our own contributions for the prizes. So, ayan, nabubunot na si Coach Lloyd ng ano niya po. Ang ganda!
So, ang winner, ng isang winner, I will give a brand new pair of either a Vomero 5 or Samba. May nag-request kasi ng Adidas eh. So,
wow, di ba?
Kung sino man yung manalo, di ba? Adidas or Vomero 5, whatever it is, di ba?
Yes, and yeah, hindi lang yan. We also have one-on-one sessions, coaching sessions from our head of PD, Coach Shi. And yeah, marami kami, si Ken, whey protein sa akin. I'm gonna give away Gymshark gym bag. Kahit ako wala akong gym bag, pero mamimigay ako ng gym bag. Ano pa ba? And so many prizes which we are actually going to announce kasi we're still pulling the prices. But definitely towards, bago matapos ang season, definitely we're gonna announce it very soon. And for now, what you can just do is collect the badges. Parang Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. Get all the opportunities that you can get to claim the badges. And speaking of badges, na-claim nyo na yung live badges ninyo if you've already downloaded POAP Home. And here, if you answer our episode survey form, you will get another badge as well. So you'll get a survey responder badge. So it's not only going to give you prizes, but it's also going to help us improve the show more and more. And we're so happy sa feedback ninyo na this is our episode 5 and Yung mga nagre-return, marami pa rin nagre-return sa show, and actually tonight is our peak attendance of 45. So that means people really find something valuable in our show, and we really thank you guys for sa pagtangkilik. Paano ba yun sa English? Yun, sa pagtangkilik sa amin. Do you have anything else to add, Coach Lloyd?
No, I think na-cover na natin lahat, no, as far as prizes are concerned. Pero apart from the prizes na makukuha nyo at the end of the season, I think yung totoong prize dito is yung nakukuha nating value and knowledge, not just from our featured and guest coaches, right? But from one another, di ba? Just by participating in the Speed Connects, right? We are able to build those relationships and at the same time extend our accountabilities and also support one another throughout the journey. Again, it's critical. It's about halfway through the season and we're about to enter the 5-week challenge, right? Sabi nga ni Coach Champy kanina, right? We're not gonna expect the 5-week challenge or the rest of the season to be easy. Nothing in life that really matters truly is easy to attain, right? But is it worth it? Kayo lang ang makakasagot niyan or tayo lang ang makakasagot niyan, di ba? Our deepest why, our manifestos, that's what's gonna pull us into amazing results after 100 days. Dahil dyan, sagutan natin ang ating survey at tayo magsimula ng mag-wind down kasi tomorrow may lesson pa tayo, di ba, Jega?
Yes, correct. And yeah, we're really finding ways to improve our show. And yeah, let's move on to our wind down. So, sobrang taas ng energy natin kanina, ipababa na natin para after the show, we can go to sleep.
So much for joining us today in the Heijokai Show. My name is Cheryl Ann, and I welcome you to the Heijokai meditation. Now let's start by closing your eyes and find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels most supportive for you. During this brief meditation, I'll ask you to pay attention to what's happening inside your body right now. You'll find that you don't have to change anything. Just observe. Now shift your focus and pay close attention to your breath. Notice how it feels to breathe in and breathe out. Try to give your breath your undivided attention for a few seconds. Whenever it feels comfortable to do so, and in each exhale, just imagine stress and tension leaving your body, flowing away from you, letting itself go, and feel your body starting to relax. Imagine yourself as a small candle, flickering in the darkness. Around you, the wind howls, the rain pours. The world outside is chaotic and uncertain. The storm tries to put you out. It whispers doubts. You can't do this. You're not strong enough. It's too hard. But you are not just any candle. Your flame is steady. Your light does not go out. Yes, the wind will come. Yes, there will be challenges. But you do not waver. You stand tall, burning brighter, warming everything around you. For the next 5 weeks, life may throw storms your way. You might feel tired, discouraged, or lost. But remember, you are the candle. No matter how strong the storm, your light will not go out. Keep going. Keep shining. Because your fire is stronger than anything that tries to put you out. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the fire inside you, the strength, the determination, the unstoppable light. When you open your eyes, carry this truth with you. No matter what happens, you will not break, you will not quit, you are ready. Thank you for practicing with me here on the Age of Kai Show. Have a wonderful night. Namaste.
Namaste. Grabe talaga pag si Cheryl yung nagli-lead ng ating meditation, no? Meditation.
Chat. May comment ako.
Go.
Ay. Akala ko dragon ako. Sabi, when you exhale, feel the breath. I go, wala lang.
Grabe. Ano ang naramdaman nyo dun sa meditation na yon? Yan, sagot naman tayo dyan sa meditation check-in natin bago tayo magpaalam sa isa't isa ngayong gabi.
Na-share ko lang.
At syempre, meron pa tayong isang photo booth, no? Yung relaxed faces naman, di ba? Kasi kanina hype na hype tayo eh. Sobrang hype.
Yan. Sana na-meet nyo ang inyong mga favorite coaches sa Speed Connect.
Dahil dyan guys, mag-aya pa tayo ng ibang mga ibang mga Heijo Kaizens for the next episode next week. Di ba?
Yan. Tsaka magpa-egofy na.
Correct. And don't forget to answer our survey so that we can continue to improve the show.
Ayan, progress photos daw tomorrow and Sunday lesson tomorrow, guys, na ma-announce na yung 5-week challenge mechanics. So, meron din tayong Monday. So, sige, mag-announce na tayo. Meron din tayong special session from the specialty coaches, kasama yours truly, for Monday. Yan, Monday, 7 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. So, wag kayong mawawala because hindi ko isa-spoil, pero bukas malalaman nyo what that session is for. And tomorrow, syempre, important session, lesson natin sa Sunday by CC. And of course, Heijo Kai Show ulit next week on Saturday. Replay Connect on Monday, 11 p.m. Ang daming ganap. Meron pa tayong upcoming Sports Fest April 5. So, Diyos ko po. Kung may announcement pa kayo, gusto nyo mag-share ng initiative ng group ninyo, be here sa the Heijo Kai Show. We'll give you the floor and share it with our audience. Ayan. Itong platform na to, guys, is for all of us. So, for the community, by the community. So, share nyo lang kung ano yung mga gusto nyong impact or initiatives na meron kayo sa team, sa clans, and whatever else. Okay ba yun, guys? Ayan, back to you, Jake and Loy.
All right. Thank you sa mga announcements, Coach G. And abangan natin yung session na yan for Monday at 7 o'clock. So, yeah, before we wrap things up, let's have our final round of photo booth.
Photo booth! Alright! Kaganda. Download nyo na, guys, ang inyong mga
photos.
Ang mga photos.
Yung group chat, i-announce natin.
Oh, by the way, on Circle, once you've already attended the Heijo Kai Show, you'll be added to another group chat in Circle for any announcements related to the Heijo Kai Show or by the Heijo Kai clan, whether that's collabs or whatnot, right? Naando na tayo sa ating group chat sa Circle, right? Huwag na lang kayo magulat. Okay? And I know a lot of things are happening in the next few weeks. Maraming ganap, maraming everything, right? Sometimes the feeling of being overwhelmed is there, and that's totally natural, right? Pause, right? Pause, meditate, reflect, and then word of the day, reframe, di ba? Another word of the day, manifest. At the end of the day, your transformation or our personal transformations and the deepest whys why we're here, right? And why we're doing what we're doing will be our anchor, right? Kaya, and you got the community and us as your support system. So, kapit lang sa community, accountability buddies natin, and everybody else na Heijo Kaizen, right? Before we cap it off, Jega, I just want to thank everyone who attended the Hey Jokai show tonight. I know it's a little bit late. Tomorrow maaga pa. Pero again, thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, any announcements ba daw from the coaches? Coaches RJ.
Coaches. From Coach Blessa, Coach Igo, or Coach Champy.
Yeah. Actually, wala naman akong announcement, pero I would just like to thank Heijokai for having me, Blessa, and Igo. So, maraming salamat kasi we were able to throw value and we were also able to learn from the students. So, sobrang ganda ng value ng Heijokai, and I will encourage all of my followers. So, followers! I will encourage all the mga kaibigan ko sa Kaizen to join the Heijokai kasi sobrang saya niya, and ang laki nang namimiss nila kapag hindi sila mag-join next time. So, expect na mas marami yung numbers niya, guys. Well, next influencer yan.
Thank you, Chappy.
Ambassador!
Ambassador badge. Ha?
I know. Sige, gawa natin yun.
Affiliate, no?
Coach Igo, ikaw, meron ka ba pasabog?
Wala naman akong announcement. Pero yun lang, yun lang kayong Sunday live lesson tomorrow. Maraming important announcements regarding mechanics and anong mapapala nyo pag sineryoso nyo yung 5-week challenge. So, yun.
Yun, drop mo na yung booking link mo, Coach, kasi ikaw ang photographer of the champions. Ayan,
message sa personal Facebook account ko and dun sa page ko.
Ayan, sige. Coach Plaza, ikaw.
Ako, quick announcements lang siguro. Pero don't forget to attend yung Monday lesson with the specialty coaches. Ang dami kong natutunan doon na na-apply ko sa second cut ko. So, kahit mababa yung calories ko, sobrang, or mataas yung steps ko, I was still functioning well. And talagang nag-level up yung cut ko the second time around. So, don't miss out on that. And there's also a lean-in session this upcoming Wednesday. So for our ladies, or for the men who have ladies in their lives, they're struggling with PCOS. They're inspiring stories. And last na lang siguro, guys, we're at the halfway mark. Let's give it our all. If there is a time na talagang gagalingan pa natin lalo, it's now. So, ayun, good luck to everyone and happy 5WC. Yun lang.
Yay! Thank you so much, coaches, for help. We love having you around. Ayan, thank you, everyone. Good night. Okay na tayo, no? Survey, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, coaches.
Thanks,
Thank you. Bye-bye.